Today we're shooting into a yoga routine that you can do straight from the office. You could also do it from the home office, basically wherever you have a chair. We're sitting in the chair, maybe a little bit forward. We start by placing the hands on the knees, taking several breaths through the nose, just to check in here, check in with the breath, and try to focus on your breathing as it goes in and out through the nose. We start with the hands alongside the chair. On an inhale, circle your hands up, and exhale, circle down. Do this 3 times. Inhale, circle up, exhale, down. Inhale, up, exhale, down. Now we're going into a side bend. Inhale, up, exhale, side bend to your right. So taking your left hand over your head, feeling a stretch on the left side of your body. Take an inhale here and exhale. On the next inhale, come back to seated. Now inhale, take your right arm over your head, feeling the stretch on the right side. Take an inhale and exhale here. And on the next inhale, come back up to seated. For a seated twist, on the inhale, take your hands up. Exhale, twist to the right. So grab the back of the chair with your right hand and the bar with your left hand. Inhale here, stretch your chest up. And on the exhale, try to get a little bit further into the twist. On the next inhale, take both hands up. And exhale, twist to your left, grabbing the back of the chair with your left hand and the bar with your right hand. Inhale here, stretch the chest up, and exhale, twist further into your twist. On the next inhale, come back up, and exhale, hands come back down. Now straighten your right arm in front of you. Take with your left hand your upper arm to give your shoulder a good stretch. So pull your upper arm towards yourself. Point your right hand to the left. Now from here, let your hand go. Straighten your left arm in front of you. Grab your left upper arm and pull your upper arm towards yourself, with your left hand pointing towards the right. Don't forget to breathe. And then let go. From here we interlace the fingers behind the back. So interlace your fingers. On an inhale, press your hands down and pull your chest up. On an exhale, bend forwards. Now take your hands up and look how far you can go. Your feet are a bit further than hip width distance apart. You really try to pull your hands as far over your head as you want to without feeling any pain in your shoulders. As soon as you feel pain, you take a step back. Your head's hanging low. We take one more inhale and exhale here. And on the next inhale, come all the way back up. Stretch your arms in front of you for a seated eagle pose. Well, the eagle arms at least. Sway your right arm under your left. Bend your right elbow and your left. And try to grab your left hand palm with your right hand. It's pretty confusing, the left and the right side here, but you want to basically grab your upper hand palm. Take your elbows to shoulder level, so make sure that your elbows are a bit higher than you actually started with. Gaze forward Take several inhales and exhales here. Try to point your hands straight up. And now let go. Shake out your hands and your shoulders. And then we do the same on the other side. So stretch your hands and your arms again. Sway left under right. Bend your left elbow and your right. Grabbing your hand, your upper hand palm here. Take your elbows up. And breathe. Gazing forwards. Feeling the stretch in your upper back and in your shoulders. Last inhale here and exhale to let go. Alright, now from here we're going to take the knees up towards the chest. Try to not lean your back against the chair, so try to balance. Try to balance on your bottom. Take several inhales and exhales here. If you want, if you can grab your toes, you can, or try to grab the outside of your shoes. And then if you want a little bit more challenge, try to stretch out both the legs. Make sure that your chair has enough balance here, not that you fall over at any point in time. One last inhale here. And on the exhale, sit back down. Then we're taking the hands in front of the chest. Take one deep inhale here. Or place your hands on your knees. And exhale through your mouth. One more deep inhale. Exhale through the mouth. Shake it out. Now go on with the rest of your day. Thank you very much for participating. If you want to see more yoga videos like this one, or actually on the mat, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Please like this video as well, and I'll see you next time on the mat. Thank you very much and cheers.